Welcome back to Fire and Spirit. Today we're going to grill marinated lamb chops from Australia and we're going to pair it with Hennessy XO fine cognac, so stick around. The marinade for this is pretty simple. It's going to be lemon juice and zest, olive oil, rosemary and thyme, garlic, red pepper, black pepper, and salt. Mix it all up, put it in the fridge for about 2 hours, and on the grill. Let's do this. We'll begin with combining all the ingredients in this bowl. Let's start with olive oil. Lemon juice and some zest, rosemary and thyme, some garlic, and of course salt, pepper, and red pepper. Mix it. The lemon juice is going to make the lamb pretty tender, give it a little bit of a zest, a nice kick. It's going to be delicious. And honestly, on the grill in winter, with snow around and cognac, I cannot wait. Alright, let's combine it with the lamb and put it in the fridge. Put our beautiful rack of lamb in a Ziploc bag. Put the marinade over it to absorb all those wonderful flavors. Beautiful. All right, gorgeous, ready for the fridge. 2 hours, I'll be right back. All right, time to let up. All right, while this gets going, we're gonna try this amazing cognac. It's not a cheap bottle. It retails for about $175, but it's worth it. It's really, really, really nice. So it smells amazing. It's incredibly smooth. It's like there's no kick, no nothing. It's just pure smooth cognac. Wow, it's really, really good. Definitely worth the price for, you know, special occasions, but it's delicious. Gonna go really well with the lamb. All right, our lamb has been marinating for 2.5 hours. You don't want to overdo it because the citrus and the lemon is going to start breaking up the meat. 2 to 3 hours is the best time. So I'm gonna put it on the grill. Oh, it looks gorgeous. Do a 45-degree flip. Oh man, if you could just smell this. Ooh. Look at that color. Look at that. Are we ready for this? I believe we are. All right, let's try this. Look at that beauty. Wow. This is gorgeous. Let's give it a try. Oh, 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 oh. My God, this is so tender. Wow. This is just perfection. Wow. Ooh. Oh my goodness. I have no words. The lamb is perfect. It's soft. It's flavorful. Wow. The cognac, the snow, the sun. I mean, wow. You can grill in the summer, you can grill in the winter, any season. Just get out and do it. This is truly, truly delicious. Wow. Amazing. All right, I'm gonna finish this off. Please share, like, subscribe to my videos. I need more subscribers to make more videos for you. Hope you enjoyed this one. Although it's snowy and winter, but we're out here cooking and enjoying. Thanks for sticking around. See you next time.